to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this makeup. It's very cute. Hope you enjoy.
Hey everyone, so first we're gonna go ahead and start and give our eyebrows a little shape. Next we're gonna use our primer. This is a great base if you want your makeup to stay a little longer. We're gonna go ahead and use our foundation, and using our fingers I like to spread it all over my face. Then we're gonna use our concealer. I'm trying to make a triangle shape under my eyes and whatever part I feel like I could use to brighten up my face. I also use a little under my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use my beauty blender, and make sure you wet your beauty blender a little. And as you see, we're just going to tap forever. This really took a long time for me. Then I'm going to use my baking powder. We use the baking powder to actually set all of the concealers that we previously used, and it actually helps the concealer to be a little more brightened. And at this point, I don't know why I didn't start doing my other makeups, but I just waited for the baking powder to set in. Then I use my brush to kind of brush anything that's left out. Then I'm going to use my bronzer, which I have had it for quite a long time, but I really love this bronzer. And you kind of make weird shapes with your face, so you could contour whichever part is needed to be contoured. And because I have a round face, I do a little bit on my forehead too, and under my neck, which helps to shape my face. And then I use the baking powder again and kind of create a line to separate the contour. Then we're gonna use our blush, any kind of blush you like. And I went with the lightest color and kind of created a base for my eyes. Then at this point I really didn't know which color to use, so I just ended up using a really dark color, and I prayed to God so everything would turn out great. And at first I was so excited about it. Yeah, I know, I gave it a real dance. And I tried to blend it in, and I felt like this might not work. But I didn't give up and I just started to blend everything. Then I went ahead with a little brighter color and I put it on my lids so it will brighten up everything. And actually I used the really light color under my eyebrows and the corner of my eyes. And kind of blend everything together. Then I use my concealer. It feels so great when you have this line under your eyes. It kind of cleans everything, so I use the concealer. Then I use like a toothbrush and kind of brushed my eyebrows. This part I use the highlighter. Wait, I didn't even show you which color I used. Okay, let's go back. So I used this color right here. And then I use my favorite lip gloss. At this point, I feel like it's too much, so I grabbed a tissue paper and kind of tap on it so it won't be too much of a glossy look. Then I use my lipstick and tap a little bit on top of it to give it a little more color. At this point, I used mascara. You always ask yourself, why do we open our mouth in mascara? Yeah, because of that. If you don't open your mouth, we don't have enough control. So that's why we open our mouth. And here is the finished look.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.